Is this groundnut or light soup? My Ghanaian friend made this for me because I've been craving Ghanaian soup for a while now. And with this pregnancy, you're gonna crave things. So she made this for me. And because my husband does not like pepper, I just told her to put the pepper like all. When I need it, I'm going to crush it. So the pepper is not like in the soup. Let's see the other one. Oh my God, I have to use another spoon. This is crazy. This is super crazy. Okay, this is the groundnut soup. That one is light soup. Yeah, I can tell the difference. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna be eating a lot. 7 liters. This girl. Hey, this is a lot. This is a lot. But anyways, it's good. I'll just make some fufu. I have some she made this one. This is rice balls. This is fufu I'm going to use with the light soup. This is rice balls for the groundnut soup. And I have this plantain fufu that I always use. Yeah, this one for when that fufu is finished. I can make this and manage with. So we've got another few days to go. I mean, like, this is gonna last me like weeks. Jeez. And yesterday, my sister-in-law sent me some food as well. I'm so happy. I'm so happy and excited. She sent me some food. Put this one in the fridge yesterday. This one is okra soup. Yeah, that's okra soup. That's what I ate yesterday. I went to the hospital for scan. So as soon as I came back, I ate some of this, used all of my medicine, and I slept like a baby. I slept like a baby. That's one. And then there is vegetable soup. This one, hey God, I'm like, chai. All the protein inside this, even prawns and shrimps and stuff. I'm thankful. Like this now, for the next 4 to 5 weeks, I'm good. Good. I'll just be making swallow. The good thing with a forero is that I can also eat it with rice. But these ones have pepper, so it's for me and me alone. My baby cannot go near this one. I'll be eating this alone. Yeah. Oh, I just need to arrange the fridge now so I can put the soups inside. I think I'll put them in smaller bowls because, especially the groundnut soup, after some time, it starts to taste funny. So, to put it somewhere. Oof. Thank you. Yummy. My Nigerian food has arrived. I ordered a couple of different dishes. So let's see what is inside. I'm gonna open it up. I'm excited. Okay, everything is finally out of the box, and I must say, in fact, let me say, I must compliment the packaging because wow, if not for the packaging, everything would have been turned upside down. The person that brought it did rubbish. It's obviously showed. Where's that thing? I had it on the first, I don't know. I think the box, it's obviously showed the way that's supposed to be up. But yeah, this way up, and the person put it like another way up, and then, but I'm glad they packed it well. If not, everything would have scattered. This is, now I have to know which is which. I'm going to be making videos to show you the meals as I eat them, but like, yeah, I don't think I can open them up right now. Or maybe I can remove the papers and let you have a look. Can't wait to enjoy. Okay. The only downside with Nourisher that I think I have so far is that it's only Eba that is available. The only swatter that is available is Eba. And when I chatted the representative, I asked her, like, come, now the Eba nuggets. And she was like, yes. But anyways, we'll make do. And I'm going to open up, remove the papers, and then I'll show you. Okay, now I have a clear picture. There is assorted okra soup. Which one is this? I forgot. I don't remember what that one is. This is okra soup. This is afang soup. There is plain rice, and I believe this stew should be here somewhere. This is jollof rice with chicken. No, I think jollof with turkey. I didn't buy chicken. Egusi soup. The egusi looks yummy. I'll just microwave all. This is, I believe, eforo. Yeah. What is this one? I think this is the stew for the rice. This is stew for the white rice. Wait, where is my plantain? This one. Oh, this one is for the awagoing. This stew for the awagoing. It's been ages I ate awagoing, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to add that to it. So this is the awagoing, and this is the sauce. Can't wait to eat it. It's just I can't eat everything at the same time. So yeah, I think I already showed up. No, this one is what? What? I think white soup. I don't remember, but I know I bought afang and edikai kong, so I think this is edikai kong. I think no, it doesn't have enough vegetable, but whatever. Then yes, eba all the way. I've not even eaten eba in months. I've not eaten eba in months, so it's not sure that'll make me eat eba this next couple of days. But anyways, that is all. And when I do enjoy all of these meals, I would give you feedback, let you know which was my best, if I enjoyed it, and if I will place my order again. But yeah, this is for a full week on Nourisher, and it's for 80 pounds. You can get lunch and dinner. So this is supposed to be lunch and dinner, so 2 each for 5 days. I don't know why Saturday and Sunday not included. Are we not supposed to eat? But anyways, this will do for now. Hi, baby.
There was no oil. So I took from that pan just
Fufu, what's it called? Rice balls with a lot of chicken and light soup. My baby is the best.
I forgot to say my husband is spoiled.